In the past at night when I open this pantry cabinet and I am looking for something, you can see that it's so dark that I have to use my cell phone flashlight to see and find what I'm looking for. As we do this haul, I would like to thank Asoko for sending me these LED motion sensor under cabinet light. This LED closet light has ultra high brightness, built-in up to 66 LED beads, enough brightness but not glare, and is very friendly to patients with dry eye syndrome. It has 3 color temperature and 10% to 100% brightness. You can adjust the color by clicking on the dimming button. With magnetic absorption design and easy installation, you can either directly put the lamp on the metal surface or stick the 3M iron tape to any place that you want and then put the light on the 3M iron tape. And lastly, this is equipped with a USB-C fast charging. Now it's time to add some light and brightness into this cabinet. My absolute favorite feature of this LED closet light is the real motion sensor. This will automatically turn on within 10 feet, and if you keep moving within the sensing range, the light will keep on. And it will automatically turn off after about 15 seconds of no motion detected. Now that we have this LED under cabinet light from Asoko, life has been easier and brighter, mga Vega. That is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this, and do check out my description for the link of Asoko, and I'll see you on the next one. Baboosh! Thanks for watching.